Giddy up! Up! You would not believe the hilarious thing that just happened to me on this trail, and it was absolutely surreal and made my whole day.
Why did the pixelated horse go to school? Because he wanted to improve his bite.
है आले काजा के तो फेनी बालो बा जिरु होंदो सिरहाते दो बेस नोधि कोन हावो भम्स का के नी आलो तो लिव चेरिंगी टिम्मन टेकितो जोंदरिक सेंटा तन्ननोटा इदन तागले आशुनुंटिया मुंडुनु अदिदिल अनिचे उनल कन्ननो फाइनल अंटे अडटो ची अनल तने कांटेक्ट कोन नेक्काने
King of the tea hills, I rule over all these green slopes and fertile grounds where the best leaves grow under the bright sun, a true monarch of this land. Time for a tea break, and I really need a moment to relax and enjoy the view here in the beautiful lush green tea fields this afternoon.